Ava. Today we're going to be making a decade s'mores brownie. Let's get started. What we're gonna need to make the brownies: half cup of salted butter melted, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, half cup of melted milk chocolate, 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, half teaspoon of salt, 9 whole grams of crackers, 10 ounces of miniature marshmallows, and 2 or 3 whole Hershey's chocolate bar. First, we're going to line up our parchment paper with the pan, and then you're going to add your graham crackers just like that. So we got a good texture. Don't put it into. Now we're gonna preheat the oven to 350. Good. I'm out. Corn of the Now we're gonna add our butter and our sugar into the bowl. And we're gonna whisk by hand. Oh yeah, and safety note, make sure you have a parent supervision so like you don't eat all the chocolate. And like that's my parent right there. Once you're done whisking by hand, you're gonna get your 2 eggs and your 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. And you're just gonna whisk that by hand. Now we're gonna sift the cocoa powder and the flour. After you're finished mixing your batter, you're going to pour it into your pan with the graham crackers. Now you have poured your batter into your bowl, you're just going to spread it out. After spreading your batter around the pan, you're going to put it in the oven for 30 minutes. Brownies are good. You can put them in the oven so they bake. You know brownies are so delicious. While your brownies are in the oven, you should take out your 4 graham crackers and you should break them with your hands, but make sure they're not too small. After you chopped your chocolate and your graham crackers, you're gonna get your brownies. Okay, there, we got our brownies. Now we're gonna put on our graham crackers, your chocolate and your marshmallows. Added it, you're gonna put it in the oven for 2 more minutes. Now they're done, it has been 2 minutes. Make sure you don't put it in for too long or else then your brownies will overcook.